everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the print shortcut in the OneLaunch dock, as well as a few other ways to print on your computer. Printing documents and web pages is an essential task. Let's start with the easiest method, the OneLaunch print shortcut. This shortcut is located in the OneLaunch dock at the top right corner and indicated by a printer icon. Also, if you hover over it, it will show print. So to get started, let's navigate to a page or document we want to print. So I have this very cute photo of cats that I would like to print. Once you open the folder or you're on the web page that you want to print, all you have to do is click on the print icon. Wait for your printer settings to load. Once loaded, you can adjust the settings to your liking, and then you can click the print button. And just like that, your document is printing. So now I'll show you how to do it on a web page. So let's go into the OneLaunch browser. I already have a PDF that I want to print about protein pancakes. Once you're on the web page, all you have to do is click this icon. Once the print preview is loaded, you can adjust your settings again and then click the print button. For now, I'm going to cancel. Another way for PDFs that you can print, they normally have this print button up top, so you can click on here and it will open the same dialog. Another way is a keyboard shortcut, which is if you press Control and P at the same time, it will open this printer settings. And the keyboard shortcut works on other web pages as well, or throughout your computer. So you can even print like a full web page if you click Control P. Similarly, with the OneLaunch print shortcut, it will do the same thing. And then lastly, for my last method is if you right-click on the document that you want to print and select print from the options, it will open the printer dialog as well. So to recap, you can print by using the OneLaunch print shortcut here, using the keyboard shortcut Control P. On PDFs, you can click the print icon, or on web pages, you can right-click and select print from the options. Printing with OneLaunch is simple and versatile, making your task easier to manage. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please visit our Help Center or reach out to our support team at support@onelaunch.com. Also to note, for printer-specific issues, please contact your printer manufacturer. Happy printing!